So during my time as a Seattle Science Foundation summer research intern, I did some research on treatments for patients that have relapsing remitting multiple sclerosis. Really enjoyed getting to learn about an area of medicine that I wasn't as familiar with, and just getting to take a deeper dive and get a really close view of the research process. I really enjoyed getting to listen to talks from a lot of the wonderful doctors here at Swedish who came in and talked about their paths in medicine, what they do on a daily basis. I really thought it was an environment that had a lot of positive energy and that everyone was super open to teaching. It's a kind of exposure that's hard to find anywhere else. I would 100% recommend this course. I think it's a really good opportunity to meet other people your age that are also interested in medicine and research, and to connect with those individuals. And I think it's a great opportunity to really just get a lot of amazing exposure and take a deeper dive into what you're interested in. I think this really reinforced and enhanced my interest in medicine, and like I said, I 100% recommend this course.